Struggling to share a dashboard folder with a public group in Salesforce? Learn how to do it in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to the Dashboards tab, find the folder, and then share it with the right public group. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the Dashboards tab to get to your dashboard folders. Then, click on All Folders to see all the folders you have access to. Now, choose the dashboard folder you want to share, in this case, Customer Service Dashboards, and click its drop-down arrow. From the menu that appears, click Share. In the sharing dialog, search for and select the public group you want to share with. For this example, select All Customer Portal Users. Once the group is selected, click Share to apply the sharing settings. Finally, click Done to close the dialog. And that's it. You've shared the folder with the public group. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.